What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Tim Reviews Everything and welcome to Quick Updates. Guys, this one is the Lifetime Portable Basketball Hoop, 1 year after the review. Okay, so I've had this for a little bit over a year and I just want to let you guys know this hoop is holding up good. I did say in that video that I was going to drain the water and pack this thing away nice and neat, for the winter time. I did not do that. I left the water in there and everything was fine, guys. I didn't have any cracking or anything to that nature. So the thing stood up all winter and the kids are still using it. The only thing I do say is that these kids are dunking on this thing like crazy. So I constantly have to go out there and tighten up the rim. The rim is on a little bit of a slant, nothing major, but it is on a little bit of slant. I got to yell at the neighborhood kids to quit hanging on the rim, and they could dunk on it all the day they want, but just don't hang on the rim. So, but guys, the hoop's holding up good. These kids use this hoop non-stop every day, and it takes a lot of abuse. So this review that I did in the description below, guys, this hoop is well worth the money. I don't remember what I paid for it. You have to go to the link below to watch that video to see all that details. But it's holding up great, and man, they use it every day. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one.